In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply notification settings on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your alerts and how to tailor them so you only hear about what matters to you, whether that's transfers, balances, card activity, or personalized updates. Start by opening Wise and heading to your main dashboard. Look toward the top right of the screen and click your name or profile icon. That's your account menu, and it's where Wise keeps key preferences. From that menu, choose Notifications. This takes you to a single place where you can control what Wise sends to you and how you receive it. On this page, you'll see categories like transfers, balances, debit card, and personalized updates. Each category has simple switches that let you enable or disable messages by email or by phone. Think of it like building your own alert system. For transfers, consider turning on at least one channel, email, or phone, so you're told when money is on the way, when it arrives, or if something needs attention. These updates can save you time and help you spot issues quickly. For balances, choose alerts for the currencies or accounts you actually monitor. If you keep multiple balances, a quick ping when a balance changes can be helpful. If you prefer a quieter inbox, disable the ones you don't use and keep only the essential alerts. For the debit card, real-time notifications can be a great security layer. Enabling phone alerts for card transactions can help you catch anything unusual right away. If you'd rather not receive every small purchase, you can rely on email instead or fine-tune the categories to reduce noise. Personalized updates include things like helpful product tips, rate insights, or occasional news. If you love staying informed, keep them on via your preferred channel. If you're minimizing non-essential messages, switch them off here and focus only on the operational alerts you need. As you toggle each option, Wise typically saves your choices automatically. If you see confirmation on the page, you're all set. You can come back anytime and change these settings as your needs evolve. It's perfectly normal to adjust them after a trip, a currency move, or a new card purchase. That's all there is to it. Click your name in the top right, open Notifications, and choose the email or phone alerts you want for transfers, balances, debit card activity, and personalized updates. Set it once, tweak it when you need to, and enjoy a notification setup that works for you.